Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this luxury shower system at home with only basic hand tools and no major plumbing changes. This connects to the existing pipe for the shower head, and it uses the existing shower valve and plumbing, so there's no need to open any walls. Took about an hour to install and it cost $250, which makes it a great project to make your home so much more luxurious. So let's get started with the installation. The first step is to unscrew the old shower arm using a pair of channel locks and install the adapter nipple that comes with the new shower system. I just wrapped it in some Teflon tape and tightened it with a wrench until it's snug. Now I can take the bar part of the shower system and making sure it's level using a level, I put it up on the wall and marked the position to install the lower mounting flange. Now we need to install this mounting bracket for the lower part of the shower system. This comes with double-sided tape on the back. However, this is right over a grout line and the double-sided tape will not stick very well, so I'm going to use the screws that are included. Note that when you're drilling onto a tile wall, I always try to drill on the grout line here and not the tile itself. The grout is softer and easier to drill, and if I need to make future changes, this grout here is far easier to patch than tile. So I'm going to be drilling these holes. If you have a smooth wall, or if you just don't want to drill holes in your wall, which is totally understandable, you can just peel this off and stick it on and you're done. Now that we have the two mounting points installed, the shower bar just presses right onto them. This is a bit tricky to get a good camera angle of, but the bar mounts using 4 set screws which tighten easily using the included 2.5mm hex key. Now it's time to install the hand shower. This screws right onto the threaded port on the bottom of the bar, and this hangs right here on the holder. This connector doesn't need any Teflon tape, and after hand tightening it most of the way, I can give it a quick extra bit with a wrench to make sure it doesn't leak. After installing the shower system, it's important to check for leaks. This flange here pulls back easily, and we can see that connection here. To test this, I'm just going to turn on the water and pull on the tub diverter to send water flowing through here. It's very important that this part does not leak. You should not see any water coming out, or else it may leak into the wall and cause damage. I had a slow leak the first time I installed this, so I had to replace an O-ring and use silicone grease on it. There was no mention of using this grease in the manual, but it stops the O-ring from getting damaged while you put the pieces together. So learn from what I discovered and buy a tube of this. It's about $5 and it saves you the trouble of replacing O-rings. And now we are pretty much done. This particular shower system has a spring-loaded thing for adjusting the position of the hand shower holder, as well as a push button diverter where you simply push it to change modes. However, you can buy several different kinds that have different ways of controlling the different settings. It's all up to you. And now we are done. This was a pretty quick project. It took about an hour, and it really is a huge bathroom upgrade for the amount of labor and parts involved. I would say this is definitely worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and see you all next time.